Are you struggling to do prospecting and get good quality leads on a daily basis? Then let me tell you, most professional salespersons are just beggars. They are chasing anyone with having a LinkedIn profile. They are spamming their inboxes with a bunch of messages as well as the email for a reply that completely ends here. You're not here to beg, you are here to chase and dominate the market. I'm Pranshu. I don't teach sales theory. I help you to get the exact step-by-step system in order to qualify better leads on a daily basis, and you will be having endless person for the sales prospecting for your businesses. So this command system will help you to generate high quality leads on a daily basis for your business, either through social media, forums, Google Maps. There are a bunch of things I'm going to share in the selective video. So this will be a 15-minute detailed guide how you can become better in sales prospecting and find quality leads on a daily basis. If you are ready to stop chasing and start leading, then let's lock in. Let's get real. Most sales people are just desperate. They fall into a trap that they found somebody on social media, their email addresses, and they are just chasing them. They are just begging for a reply, and every client senses this desperation from far end. Try to understand, 52 calls or just a single meeting, that's complete desperation. Nobody wants to work with such a person who is such desperate to sell their services in order to stack some money for themselves. You want to be like elite salesperson, don't chase. They hunt. They stop leaving the things on a table. They start collecting those right metrics and attract the right clients. The command system is not about more activity or some old tactic big sales gurus are sharing of the online. This is the exact system I used in my last 1 year of sales journey, in which I made almost $70K plus dollars, and in the current year I will be making $350,000 using the same strategy. For this, subscribe to my YouTube channel and tap on all notifications. You will be getting exact command strategy in order to become best in sales prospecting, and nobody from your competition will ever know these secrets. And if you start implementing those, you will be getting the right output and qualify leads from day one, which means from today if you start implementing these things. So coming to the part one, what is this command system really means and what the exact terms in this abbreviation. So command is terms as criteria, observe, message, medium, approach, nurture, and dominate. So first is C, criteria. So define your ideal audience with surgical precision, that you will be knowing not just a basic demographics like what is their age, where they are living, and how much money they are making. You need to get the exact emotion as well as the business pain point they are facing. Coming to the second part, which is O, thanks for observe. You need to figure out everything about their businesses. You need to search their social media, their website, and what exact issues they are facing in their industry, what is new, what is getting changed, and how competitors are getting massive profits in that particular industry. After that, we have AM, which means message. Whenever you are trying to message, when you have all the details regarding this prospect, you need to tailor your message to command attention from your prospect. Second M stands for medium. You need to find the right exact medium to convey the message, as well as the right medium on which your prospect is staying. Because if you're posting content, let's suppose on Instagram, but your ideal audience is hanging on LinkedIn, you will not be getting the right prospect for your business, right? So you need to opt the right medium. Secondly, whenever you are sharing some message, it must be meaningful and conveyed over the right medium. Try to build your email list from the day one. Coming to the next part, which is A, approach. Lead with authority, not just the description. That if you are trying to communicate with any prospect, lead with the authority that you know what is happening in the market. You are the best consultant effort in that market, and you know what transformation you can bring through your product or services. So don't be desperate while communicating with your prospect. Last second part, N stands for nurture. Whenever you start building your list, whenever you start building your content authority engine, you need to start collecting the leads and nurture them in the way by providing value and the deep insights they didn't get from the market or some other tool. So you need to have some USP point how you are getting such deep insights about that industry, about that businesses. And lastly, we have dominate. In my world, nobody begs, nobody chases. We just dominate the conversation from the first touch to the end. So you need to understand how you need to dominate the whole conversation. And for this, you need to understand the 7 psychological traits you need to negotiate or to convert any prospect. For this, watch out that video. You can watch after this video. Coming to the first abbreviation of command, which is C, stands for criteria. Laser target your ideal prospect. Amateurs cast mag wide and they still catch garbages, while pros use a sniper rifle to clearly target your ideal audience. So your ideal audience is not someone who has some money in their wallet. They are the ones who have this 5 criteria. First of all, is in your target industry. They has the right company size as well as the revenue. Thirdly, they control the budget and have the decision to purchase your product or services. Fourth, has a burning point that you solve. And lastly, can act now, not someday. So if you are having the first 4 checklists and lastly they don't have the budget or they are not have a time to work right now, then they are not your ideal audience. So become a pro, use a sniper rifle, and have a laser focus on your client. Let me give you a brief example. One of my clients started working with me and I consulted them. They previously were targeting some small businesses for their sales process, and they were getting a close rate of 2%. Afterward, when he connected with me, Michael, so I had them to understand the exact demographics and the further system funneling for them. So they started targeting manufacturers who having a 50 to 200 people employee size and making 5 to 10 CR as an annual revenue, who are start having headache with the end. So when he shifted his approach and laserly focused his target audience, Michael, then his close rate jumped from 2% to 47% in just 3 months. Specificity is power. Vague targeting is just a waste of efforts and time as well as your energy. So be laser sharp, focused for your client, and define the exact demographics you need to target.
Thank you for being a part of this whole journey. If you really want to kick off your sales as well as business journey and you are ready to take the next step to become a young millionaire or the first millionaire in your family, then subscribing will ensure you for your continuous learning and the right strategies, practical tips which will eventually kick off your business. So join us, a community of like-minded peoples as well as the folks who are nailing their journey. So subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on all notifications. Let me know what is the biggest challenge you are facing in your sales journey in the comment section right now.
Like salesperson never goes unprepared. They still research about the prospect when they are stepping into the meeting. So if you have the information about their recent news, what they publish in the articles, what social media platform they are using in their industry, what exactly is happening, what is the biggest issue in this industry, who is the decision maker in that company, what are the industry challenges they are facing, what is the scenario of their social media, are they actively using their social media or not, and what is the biggest three pressing points they are facing right. And for this you can use some tools in order to find out such things. First is LinkedIn Sales Navigator, second Google Alerts, third is watch out their social media profiles as well as the website they are using, and lastly use some of their competitors website and their content in order to identify where they are exactly lacking. Why you need to curate the things, why you need to research about so many things for a sale, because when you have that much information, even more than your prospect about their businesses, you are not going as a salesperson, you are acting as a consultant, and a consultant always commands respect. So the third abbreviation, which is stands for message, which is a clear message which will help you to onboard those clients. Most salesperson message gets ignored because they are more general, they are more needy, they are desperate about the things. But if you focus on 5 things while doing a messaging part, you will bloom. So first thing is you need to interrupt the pattern. Every salesperson starts with, hey Michael, I'm from this industry, we have this products, can we help out you, can we have some time? Don't interrupt the pattern, just try to understand what recently happened in their industry, in their company, and talk about that. Secondly, you need to show credibility. You are showing yourself to someone who is completely unknown. Why he or she will trust you? You need to show credibility that you are a reputed person, having a reputed business, who are helping such a specific people on such specific point. Third thing is be hyper relevant. Don't be generic. Just like I said, you need to find out the targeted pressure point. You need to face such pressure point, and you need to be super specific about the things when you're targeting. Most people say when you are direct and concise when having a conversation with a client, you lose. I say the opposite, because when you are concise and the direct, you are saving your time and effort as well as theirs, and they will know what exactly you are talking about. Afterwards, you need to deliver value, obviously, because you make them understand what is the exact issue they are facing. Now, if you don't provide the value, they will not believe in you. And lastly, you need to have some call to action in that message, like they understand what is the pain point they have, but what they have to do, what they have to do after they write that message. They need to do something, right? They need to navigate in your forum or whatever it is. Having a clear call to action is crucial. So let's suppose there are two types of salesperson. A person who lost 95% of the customer. I'm talking from XYZ company, and we also saying something like that. And there's a light salesperson. I saw your company has expanded into Texas. That's either a gold mine or you are completely headed. I already helped 30 plus firms in the same industry to stop leading the things which kill the growth of your business. Can we talk for 10 minutes so I can help you out? What exact issues I am helping to deal out in your industry? Boom, you got an appointment to book. Don't overflow the things on a call itself. Set up a meeting and work accordingly. Coming to the next point, abbreviation of M, which is a medium. So pick your battlefield. Just like if you don't know where your audience is hanging out and you are just messaging them on every social media platform or email addresses, they are not going to respond. First of all, you need to find a medium. Just like either they are most active on social media platform, either they are most active in business forums, either they more active in the charity, something like that. So not all prospects live in the same place. Some things work for some folks, something work for other folks. So you can use LinkedIn for B2B reach. You can use email to nurture your leads for a longer time. You can use phone for urgency and to set up a meeting. You can use a video, a personalized touch, how you can help that person out or that company out. And lastly, the direct mail for high value and to enroll in your pool offer. Afterwards, we have another abbreviation of command, which is A, stands for approach. So whenever you're trying to approach folks on such platforms, just like I shared earlier, so you need to be specific and you need to follow this approach. Just like for LinkedIn, when you're trying to reach out, your insights must be there. There must be a deep analysis, what exact issues they are facing, and you need to curate the things accordingly. Secondly, for email, you need to nurture that lead for a longer period of time. So you need to be concise, short, and specific while having a conversation with them or nurturing them over an email. Then we have a phone. Let's suppose if I call you and I am nervous or I am desperate, you can spell this thing out, right? So So when you are dialing a phone, you need to be confident, not a desperate person. Afterwards, we have video. When you are shooting a video for that, try to make as much personalize the things for that business. Let's suppose I'm talking a person who is in the fitness industry, and I help people to build a sales process and to get more sales in their business. So when I pitch to a fitness person, my pitch will be different. When I'm pitching to a person who belongs to a B2B company, my pitch will be completely different. You need to tailor the video and add a personal touch in that. And lastly, the direct mail. Obviously, when you are giving a direct mail to someone, they can respond, they can't respond. But this totally depends how you curated your content or the message. So be bold and creative. So you are not asking for the favor. You are offering something which only a fool can neglect. So when you follow such type of approach, only the fools will never reply you, as 87% of the people is going to reply. So you need to act accordingly and follow this strategy.
Hey, quick pause. If this value resonates with you and you are eager to learn the secrets of sales success and business success, subscribing this channel will ensure you never miss out the strategies to change your life, to change the path of your business. Join the community of go-getters, transform your life, subscribe to my channel and turn on all notifications so you can achieve the sales transformation as well as the business transformation.
Coming to the last second part of this abbreviation, which is nurture. Become indispensable, not annoying. Don't annoy your folks while nurturing those leads with your content. So nurturing is not about something weak letters. You need to focus on 3 points. First of all, you need to share valuable insights before even they ask. Second thing is making valuable introductions, because when you are nurturing them, there is a need that they will be catching you up again and again in order to purchase your product or services. And lastly, solve problems what they didn't knew they had in that particular business or in the industry. Why you need to work on these 3 points and act accordingly? Because when you worked on these 3 points, you are not just sharing the insights, you are not just sharing valuable information, or you are not just introducing your business again and again. What you are doing is you are making them understand that you are suffering from such problems, you don't even know about that, which is causing a loss in your business, and I can help you out. So in this scenario, whenever they require help, they will seek out for your help rather than going for some fake gurus or some other organizations who are helping the same set of people in that particular industry. So when you do such type of things, people will reach out to you, they will see you as an expert, a trusted advisor. And always remember, trusted advisor always charge premium fees and loyalty. When I started my social media account and I was a social media marketer, I was charging $200, $300, $500, $600 max. But just I changed my mindset, is the way I look at the things, and I apply some systems in my sales process, and I start getting high ticket clients. I start getting high ticket clients to enroll in my services and charging $1K, $2K, $5K per month. So it completely depends how you touch the things, how you nurture your leads, and either you are looking as a salesperson who is just begging for the sale, or you are working as a trusted advisor who is trying to help that person out. So it completely depends on such. When it comes to dominate the conversation, it's not about letting the prospect lead the conversation. So first of all, what you need to do whenever you are coming in a meeting, you need to set the agenda of every meeting. Secondly, you need to ask the hard questions, because only the right elite salesperson knows what question need to ask and what are the hard questions which will eventually take out the pain of that customer. Thirdly, reject, accept ruthlessly, because if you don't qualify your prospect will qualify you and they will not picking you in there. And lastly, always set clear next call to action and guide them what they need to do next. In my world, people don't chase, they lead. So when you do such type of things, you will be leading the conversation, and if you are leading the conversation, you can guide them what they next need to do, and in the end, they will be purchasing your product or services, whatever you are offering as a solution. So remember, you are not trying to convince everyone, you are just trying to convince, or you can say educate few folks who are the right ones for your product or services. So here is your 72-hour challenge. Pick up your 2 to 3 ideal prospects, craft a wonderful message using that command step-by-step system, and track the response. Most will watch this video and just jump on another video. Only few folks have the guts to follow this system and become the elite sales closer. And if you follow this system, I bet you will be making $5K to $10K at least within 6 months from your business. So if you are ready to build a sales machine and that brings quality leads on a daily basis and jumping to the high ticket clients, you need to subscribe this channel now and tap on all notifications, because I already uploaded a lot of video how you can become a high ticket closer and you can generate leads on a automation basis. I will be attaching the video in the description as well as a pinned comment how to generate leads on an automation basis. And lastly, drop a comment with your biggest sales win or challenge you are facing right. I will be personally helping you out. But before that, you need to understand that you want to become a millionaire or you want to become the elite salesperson. Only top 1% salesperson are on this level, and for this you need to cultivate right habits so you can reach out that level within upcoming 6 months, 1 year, whatever the timeline suits according to the hard work you are putting in and following the right strategies. So to understand what are the important millionaire habits you need to incorporate in your daily life, watch out this video.